I'm Olive from Olive to Craft, and this is my brother, Lucky. And today, we're making fireworks for the 4th of July. Today, you're gonna need black cardstock, embroidery floss, glitter, some glue, scissors, an empty bottle, a tray, some liquid starch, and a container to hold it. First, you're gonna take your tray and put your empty bottle on top. Then, you're going to take your medium-sized container and fill up the bottom with liquid starch. Next, you're going to take your embroidery floss and find the end of it. You're going to hang on to the end with one hand and take the other hand and dunk the rest of the embroidery floss into the liquid starch. Make sure you push all of the embroidery floss into your liquid starch. You'll also put the end in the liquid starch, but keep it separate. You're gonna let it sit in there for about 30 seconds. Now you're gonna take the end of your embroidery floss and take it out of your liquid starch. Then you're gonna drape it over your bottle. Now you're gonna zigzag it over your bottle. If you're running out of space on your bottle, you can squish your floss together to save space. Or you can cut your floss and start on a second bottle. Before I move on to the next step, I'm gonna wash my hands. Next, I'm gonna trim the extra floss and move the starch out of the way. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some glitter on it while it's still wet.
I have this fine white blue glitter. And this thicker dark blue glitter. And I also have this holographic glitter, so it's extra sparkly.
I let my floss dry overnight because you want to make sure your floss is completely dry before you move on to the next step. Now you're gonna gently slide your floss off one side of your bottle. Make sure you don't pull it upwards or else it will lose its curvy shape. Now you're gonna take your black cardstock and glue. You're gonna take your glue and make a horseshoe shape with a really thick glob of glue. so the fireworks will stick. Now you're going to gather your floss and take the ends of one side and stick it into the glue. Fan out your floss so that it looks like fireworks. Make sure most of your ends are in the glue. And you can add some more glitter to make it look more sparkly and to cover up the glue.